Imagine being able to buy a car with absolute confidence, a vehicle that starts every morning without drama, rarely visits the repair shop, and keeps its value year after year. In a world where car prices continue to rise and reliability has become more important than ever, choosing the right vehicle can make a huge difference in your daily life. Today, we're taking a deep dive into 5 incredible Japanese cars that have built legendary reputations for reliability, practicality, and long-term durability. These are vehicles that millions of drivers trust around the world, cars that mechanics rarely see because they simply refuse to break down. From spacious family SUVs to fuel-efficient sedans perfect for daily commuting, each model on this list offers something special. They combine advanced engineering, comfort, strong resale value, and outstanding reliability, making them some of the smartest automotive choices you can make today. And if you enjoy discovering reliable cars that save you money and last for years, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, because we bring you the best car rankings, reliability insights, and buying guides every week. Now, let's begin with our first vehicle. Number 5. 2024 Honda CR-V. Starting our list is one of the most trusted compact SUVs ever made, the Honda CR-V. For decades, the CR-V has been a favorite among families, commuters, and long-distance drivers. Known for its balanced combination of comfort, reliability, practicality, and fuel efficiency, the CR-V continues to dominate the compact SUV segment. The latest generation has received a major redesign, giving it a more mature and refined appearance. The exterior now features a wider stance, a longer wheelbase, and a bold front grille that gives the CR-V a more premium presence on the road. Slim LED headlights and sculpted body lines add to its modern and sophisticated design. But the real magic of the CR-V happens inside the cabin. Honda has created one of the most practical interiors in the segment. The extended wheelbase means passengers enjoy more legroom than ever before, especially in the rear seats. Adults can comfortably sit in the back even on long road trips, something that many compact SUVs struggle to offer. Cargo space is another area where the CR-V truly shines. With more than 39 cubic feet of storage behind the rear seats, it easily accommodates groceries, luggage, sports gear, or even bulky household items. The interior design is inspired by the Honda Civic, featuring a clean and elegant dashboard layout. A full-width mesh trim strip hides the air vents, creating a modern and uncluttered appearance. The materials feel high quality, and even base models provide a comfortable and well-built environment. Technology is also straightforward and user-friendly. Depending on the trim level, drivers get either a 7-inch or 9-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and intuitive climate controls that are easy to operate while driving. Comfort is another reason people love the CR-V. The seats are supportive and perfect for long journeys, while the suspension system provides a smooth and stable ride over rough roads and highways. When it comes to safety, Honda includes its Honda Sensing Driver Assist Suite, which provides features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and road departure mitigation. Thanks to its strong reliability record, excellent practicality, and comfortable ride, the CR-V remains one of the most dependable compact SUVs you can buy today. Number 4. 2024 Toyota RAV4. Next on our list is another legend in the SUV world, the Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the best-selling SUVs on the planet, and for good reason. It combines rugged styling, dependable engineering, and excellent fuel efficiency, making it a favorite for drivers who want a reliable vehicle that can handle almost anything. The exterior design of the RAV4 is bold and adventurous. Its aggressive front grille, sharp LED headlights, and muscular wheel arches give it a strong presence on the road. Many trims also feature unpainted protective cladding, emphasizing its rugged and off-road ready personality. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that is both practical and thoughtfully designed. Toyota has focused on functionality, ensuring that everything from the storage compartments to the dashboard layout makes everyday driving easier. The interior offers plenty of storage spaces for small items, including large cup holders, door pockets, and a spacious center console. The materials used throughout the cabin are durable and designed to withstand years of daily use. Toyota also offers different interior finishes depending on the trim level. While genuine leather is not used in most models, the brand's synthetic leather alternatives provide a convincing look and feel while being easier to maintain. Under the hood, the RAV4 is powered by a 25-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 203 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This combination provides strong reliability and respectable performance. Acceleration is smooth and the engine delivers consistent power whether you're merging onto a highway or driving through city streets. Fuel efficiency is another major advantage. The RAV4 is known for delivering excellent mileage, especially in its hybrid versions, making it one of the most economical SUVs in its class. The ride quality is comfortable and stable, with suspension tuned to absorb bumps while maintaining confident handling. Drivers often praise the RAV4 for being easy to live with, practical, and dependable in all kinds of situations. Over the years, Toyota has built an incredible reputation for reliability, and the RAV4 is one of the best examples of that philosophy. Many owners report driving their vehicles well beyond 200,000 miles with minimal issues, which is why it remains one of the most trusted SUVs worldwide.
Number 3. 2024 Nissan Versa. At number 3, we have a surprising but extremely smart choice, the Nissan Versa. In an era where car prices continue to climb higher every year, the Versa stands out as one of the most affordable and practical vehicles on the market. Despite its low price, the Versa offers an impressive list of features that many competitors simply cannot match. The exterior design is modern and stylish, especially after its recent updates. Nissan has given the Versa a bold front grille, sleek headlights, and clean body lines that make it look more upscale than its price suggests. Inside the cabin, the Versa offers a surprisingly spacious environment. Both front and rear passengers enjoy comfortable seating, and the trunk provides generous cargo space for groceries, luggage, or everyday items. One of the biggest highlights of the Versa is its long list of standard safety features. Even in the base model, drivers get advanced technologies such as automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, rear automatic braking, and high beam assist. Higher trims add even more convenience features like blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and wireless phone charging, features rarely seen in this price category. The Versa is powered by a 1.6-liter engine producing about 122 horsepower. While this may not sound like a lot, it is perfectly adequate for daily commuting and city driving. The car feels predictable and comfortable on the road. The suspension setup uses a simple but reliable design that prioritizes comfort and durability, making the ride smooth and stable. For drivers who want an extremely affordable, reliable, and efficient vehicle, the Nissan Versa remains one of the smartest choices available today. Number 2. 2024 Mazda CX-5. Coming in at number 2 is one of the most refined compact SUVs in its class, the Mazda CX-5. Mazda has built a reputation for creating vehicles that are not only reliable, but also fun to drive, and the CX-5 perfectly represents that philosophy. The exterior design is elegant and sporty. Mazda's signature grille, slim LED headlights, and flowing body lines give the CX-5 a premium appearance that rivals some luxury SUVs. Many drivers are surprised by how sophisticated this vehicle looks, especially considering its competitive price. Inside the cabin, the CX-5 truly shines. The interior feels far more luxurious than most vehicles in the compact SUV category. Soft touch materials, stitched surfaces, and carefully crafted details create a high-quality atmosphere. The dashboard layout is clean and modern, and a large 10.3-inch infotainment display sits prominently at the center. Mazda also uses a rotary dial control system, allowing drivers to operate the infotainment system without taking their eyes off the road. Under the hood, the CX-5 offers a 2.5-liter engine producing around 187 horsepower, paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission. For drivers who want extra performance, Mazda also offers a turbocharged version that delivers significantly more power and a sportier driving experience. But what truly sets the CX-5 apart is its handling. Unlike many SUVs that prioritize softness over driving engagement, the CX-5 provides sharp steering and excellent road feedback, making it surprisingly enjoyable to drive. Safety is another strong area. The CX-5 includes a full range of advanced driver assistance technologies designed to protect passengers and prevent accidents. Thanks to its premium interior, engaging driving dynamics, and strong reliability record, the Mazda CX-5 remains one of the most satisfying compact SUVs available today.
Number 1. Toyota Camry Hybrid. Imagine buying a car where reliability, fuel economy, comfort, and resale value all come together almost perfectly. According to the experts at Consumer Reports, only a few vehicles come close to achieving near-perfect scores in testing, owner satisfaction, safety, and long-term reliability. And one car that consistently ranks at the top year after year is the Toyota Camry Hybrid. The Camry Hybrid combines sporty styling with practical design. Toyota redesigned the Camry with a wide, aggressive grille, sleek LED headlights, and aerodynamic body lines that improve both style and efficiency. Key exterior highlights include LED headlights and taillights, 17 to 19-inch alloy wheels depending on trim, smart key entry system, power moonroof available, excellent paint durability, and corrosion resistance. The design is not only attractive, it also helps improve aerodynamics for better fuel efficiency. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Camry Hybrid uses one of the most reliable hybrid systems ever built. Engine type, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder hybrid engine. Hybrid system, Toyota Hybrid Synergy Drive. Total horsepower, 208 horsepower. This is where the Camry Hybrid truly shines. City MPG, 51 mpg. Highway MPG, 53 mpg. Combined, 52 mpg. That means you can drive over 600 miles on a full tank, making it one of the most efficient mid-size sedans ever built. Interior comfort and space. Inside, the Camry Hybrid focuses on comfort and practicality. Interior highlights, spacious seating for 5 passengers, premium soft-touch dashboard materials, available leather seats, heated and ventilated front seats, dual-zone climate control. Rear passengers get plenty of legroom, making it great for families or long trips. The hybrid battery warranty, 10 years or 150,000 miles in many regions. This gives owners peace of mind for long-term ownership. Average pricing, base model price is about $28,000. Well-equipped trims, $32,000 to $36,000. Most Toyota dealerships also have a reputation for good service availability, strong parts support, and high resale values. In fact, the Camry Hybrid often holds one of the best resale values in the sedan market. Here's where the Camry Hybrid becomes extremely attractive. Estimated yearly ownership costs, fuel cost very low due to 50+ mpg, maintenance below average, insurance moderate, depreciation low. Overall, it's one of the cheapest mid-size cars to own long-term. According to Consumer Reports testing, the Camry Hybrid scores extremely high in reliability, owner satisfaction, fuel economy, safety, comfort, and overall value. Very few cars manage to perform this well in so many categories at the same time.